Hello and welcome to the NPL Defect of the Month. My name's Bob Willis. And this month I wanted to talk about flux application control. Now basically when we talk about liquid fluxes there are two uses. There's wave soldering and selective soldering. And with both of these processes it's crucial that we have an even deposit of flux onto the printed circuit board and into the through holes that we're going to solder. Putting too much on gives us problems, putting too little on also gives us problems. So experimentation to get the right volume right is particularly important. Now the simplest way for looking at penetration of flux into a plated through hole from the bottom side of the board is to use some absorbent paper placed on the top side of the printed circuit board. Holding it flat, as the board goes through the fluxing process, you should be able to see evidence of the flux wetting out onto the paper. There are special papers produced by suppliers to accommodate both alcohol and water-based materials, so consider that. Now you can use a bare board. Alternatively, you can purchase a indicator palette specially designed for the purpose, or you can make your own. So in this particular case you would have a palette with a board with hundreds or perhaps thousands of holes drilled in it, and then you can statistically analyze the quantity of flux penetrating through the through hole and wetting out onto the test paper. Now you can do the same sort of thing with selective soldering. It's a little bit more tricky to do, but bear in mind it's the same fundamental process. No flux, no solder joint. Limited volume of flux, well, the penetration, particularly on difficult to solder printed circuit board surface finishes, then you won't meet the requirement of your IPC standards.